meaning as fit البرايس بيت الله. After that, what you have for us?
Can you speak now? I can't hear you voice very well.
Do you want to revive?
I want anything. If you revive me, I can revive. If you discuss me, I can discuss you. If you want, stop right now. What are you talking about? Right? Give me just until you just. I am speaking now. So wait your chance. If you want to revive, I can revive. Wait, I am speaking now. What are you?
Okay, wait here. Speak.
Yes, I want to revive you.
Don't take the microphone, okay? The Allah has come, okay? That's better for you. Otherwise, you will meet something you don't like that.
You are a meter away from me. I will slap you. That will be animal abusing. You know that?
Put yourself down. That's better for you. Otherwise, you will see something you don't like that, okay? I think you don't know me well. I'm grammar too. If you forget that.
Do you think I want to know you very well? Keep that to yourself. I don't want to know you very well.
Don't reminisce me against, okay? Because someone older than you level, we respect him, so respect me. That's better for you.
If I am standing here right now, that means we are same level. Don't think of high yourself.
You are talking, the way you are talking is looking like cow, which has not been eating a decade, then give a grass to suit himself.
Why are you lowering your voice like a deaf voice? Keep up your face. What is wrong with you?
Give your face. I see. Do you know who are?
I don't need to know who you are.
Do you know who are? I am in excellent health.
awood baan muqdisho ku tagnay kuna joognaa haddeer taasi waa waxqabad weyn oo ballaaran weeye
haddaanay dadku raali ka hayn
dadka la weydiin maayo dadka madaxda
ilaahow
awood baan muqdisho ku tagnay kuna